Hi, and welcome to this new video. Today I will show you how to send secret messages using characters that do not take up any space. These characters are called zero-width space characters and are used in computer science as a ligature. In other words, these characters are capable of leaving no spaces, even though they exist. For more information, I leave the Wikipedia link in description. Let's get started. First, go to your search engine and search for Neatnik-Steganographer. I leave the link of the site in description. Entered the site. You can type the message that will be visible here. Instead, the message you want to hide you have to write here. Hit enter. Here is your message with the secret text embedded in it. This tool works by converting your private message into binary data and then converting that binary data into zero-width characters. As you can see, the secret message is effectively invisible and leaves no space. We try to insert our special message in the tool, and here is the secret message. Now instead, let's try to insert a random message in the verification tool, and we see that there is nothing mysterious. Try doing it too with friends. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe.